boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Davido and Chris Brown collaborate in this song called Titanium. Not the newest by now, I'm aware of that. I just came across this one. I felt, okay, it's a cool song, why not? Let's do it together. You can see K-pop on first, and with that we have three simple chords. We're gonna start with E minor. And we're gonna add one note to it, so it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and this added third E, the G note. Okay, next chord will be the D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then finally we have the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have a certain way of playing this, and you can go with pickings and also downs and upstrokes. So we're gonna pretty much look into both things here, and the rhythm is exactly the same. They're just different in how you handle the strings. That's the thing here. So I'm gonna start to pick this, and you're gonna see that when it comes to downs and ups, it's gonna follow the exact same pattern there. So let's go into the picking now, and I split between the bass strings and the top strings, so bass and top. Okay, so you're gonna play on E minor like this. So you're gonna play bass and then 2 times on the top strings and then 1 bass. Then you go into D and play bass and high. Okay, so that's bass and top strings, and then on C you're gonna play it this. So it's bass, top, top, bass. In the same way as you play the E minor, and then you're gonna add bass, top, top. When it comes to these tops here, you're gonna pick not just maybe one string. You could, but it's a little bit empty or so. You can give more depth to it if you pick more strings from the bottom or the high strings down here. So maybe pick the B, the E, perhaps incorporate the G string as well to really give it a kick and a depth to that high sound. So again, E minor, D, C. Bass, top, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top, top, bass, bass, top, top. And of course, you can do that the same with the down strokes, and you can do it like this. And when it comes to downs and ups and how to use them, it's a personal preference here. I'm gonna tell you how I do. You can do it in your way. So I play down, up, down, down on the bass. Okay? Sorry, on the E minor. So down, up, down, down. On D, I play down, down. And on C, I play down, up, down, 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 down. So together. And there you have it, guys. Hope that was clear. Maybe not the best teaching here, but sometimes simple stuff is harder than difficult stuff. It's sometimes very clear and obvious, so it's hard to put some words on it. This is how I do it. 3 chords, and this is how close you can come with the guitar. Good luck, guys. Titanium. Next time, play tune.